What's up guys? Welcome to my garage. Today we're going to be building a home gym. So why would I want a home gym? Well, I bought a new house about 6 months ago and I spend about a half hour in the truck every day that I go to the gym. I've been working out about 5 in the morning and that adds up throughout the week and I'm trying to maximize my routine here. So I figured why not? I'll just build a home gym. So I'm going to show you around the garage and what I got and what my plans are for this space. So I got a 2-car garage and this bay here is empty. That's where I'm going to put my stuff. I got a trampoline here. I got a bag of dumbbells and weights. I picked up this set of adjustable dumbbells on Marketplace. They go from 5 to 50 pounds. I got a pretty good deal on them. And up here I got a bunch of random stuff. I got some fitness bands, ab roller, and some of my boxing stuff. I also have some bands and a slip bag. Over here I got my heavy bag and my reflex bag. Over here's another find off Marketplace. I got 2 Olympic bars and a bunch of weights. And then I got this bench press I'm going to put together. And I've also got these mats that I'm going to clean up that came with the bench press until I get some better ones. So let's get this stuff cleaned up. So I wasn't originally going to keep this bench. I really just wanted the weights, but I figured it won't hurt to have more than one bench right now. And when I get my other one that I ordered, maybe I'll sell this one, maybe I'll keep it. We'll see. This stuff was sitting in an old barn. It's pretty nasty, all covered with mouse crap, so want to make sure we do a nice job cleaning it up. And I got a pretty good deal on this. I only paid about $225 for the bench press, both bars and all the weights. And the adjustable dumbbells were another $200. So far a pretty budget gym. I did order a nice cage that I'll tell you about. I got the one of the RITFIT all-in-one cages. It's got pulleys on it, and I'll show you a picture of that. So once I get that, we'll be unboxing that and putting it together. And then I got to get some nice rubber mats, probably get those horse mats from Tractor Supply. So anybody looking to build a home gym, want to save some money, check out Marketplace, check out Craigslist. It doesn't cost $1 million. You can always upgrade as you go. All right, guys, we got the bench press all set up here, got it all cleaned up and scrubbed the mats. They're sitting outside to dry, and I'm gonna call it a day, and tomorrow we'll work on putting together my new bench. It seems to be a pretty decent bench press. I got a good deal on that. I'm happy with the deal. Got a nice selection of weights there too. I need to get a weight rack. And then tomorrow we'll put together this RITFIT bench that I got.